Good morning and welcome to Richca Chalets Resorts in Hope, gateway to your Hope adventure. Today we're gonna start our adventures around Hope, visiting the Fraser Canyon, or at least part of it. Because of the winter, some places are closed, like the Pioneer Buildings in historic Yale, the air tram at Hell's Gate, and the indigenous village near Boston Bar. Regardless to that, we're here to see the Fraser Canyon. So let's up and away and see what the fuss is all about. Historic Yale. This was the head of navigation on the Fraser River. Fort Yale later became a roaring gold rush town and for 20 years was the starting point of the famous Caribou Wagon Road. The Caribou Wagon Road. The wagon road played a key role in the gold rush economy of the 1860s and in the development of the new colony of British Columbia. Constructed between 1862 and 1865 by the colony of British Columbia, this impressive 650-kilometer long road greatly improved access to the Caribou goldfields. Yale faded with the gold rush, but boomed again in the CPR construction days as a wide-open western town. For millennia, indigenous people used this place to cross from BC's coast to the interior. The people of the Spasm First Nation paddled across the Great River to trade with their coast Salish neighbors to the west and access their traditional lands, fishing and sacred sites. The site was transformed by the Gold Rush era, and the original Caribou Wagon Road wooden toll bridge was built in 1863. The 1926 highway bridge was built on the foundations of the 1863 bridge and is the centerpiece of the Alexandra Bridge Provincial Park, established in 1984. This is the deepest and narrowest section of the Fraser River. It is 33 meters wide, with over 200 million gallons of water flowing through every minute, twice the volume of the Niagara Falls. The name Hell's Gate came from the early explorer Simon Fraser, who came through here in 1808 by canoe. Quote unquote, "We had to travel where no human being should venture." Thank you so much for sticking to the end. See you next time!